How are you? Grade 6. Today we'll solve from الدقهلية government model number 4. Look at with me about question number 1. Which ratio means the same thing 1 to 4? 1 to 4 it's meaning 1 to 4. We write here 1 over 4 equivalent 1 to 4. 1 over 4 equivalent 1 to 4. Choose letter D. Question number 2. The area of triangle base length 10 centimeter and its corresponding height is 4.8 equal what? We know the area of triangle equal half times base times the height. Half of the base here was 10 centimeter and corresponding height was 4.8 centimeter. 10 times 4.8 it will be 2.4. Reducted by 10, half of this number it will be 2.4. Reducted by 10, we must move the point right hand side by one place, then the result will be 24 square centimeter. This is the area of this triangle, 24 square centimeter. Okay, now we'll solve question number 3. You can use the opposite model to solve the problem. We have here 5 divided, we have 1 over 2 divided how many parts? Divided to 5 parts in this model. Can you see here? We have half divided to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the result will be 1 over 2 divided by 5. The result will be 1 over 10. Then the operation will be 1 over 2 divided by 5. You must choose letter C here. Question number 4. Which of the following is a unit rate? Question number 4. A unit rate. He asked about not a unit rate. We know the unit rate comparing between different quantities by using different units. Unit rate here comparing between different quantities, and second term will be 1. But he won't find here not unit rate. Not unit rate will be what? Letter B. Choose letter B. 90 kilometer per 60 minutes. It's not a unit rate. 90 kilometer per 60 minutes is the rate, because the rate comparing between different quantities. But second term will be 1, or second term it will be the unit, such as 25 Egyptian lira for each kilogram. Letter D true. Letter C is true. 0.2 kilogram of flour per cup of cake, and 140 Egyptian lira weekly. Okay, understood? Then the unit rate here it will be letter B, because 90 kilometer per 60 minutes. Now we will solve question number 5. Number 5, the volume of cuboid of dimensions 12 centimeter, 9.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter is, we know the volume equal length product by width product by corresponding height. The length here was 12 centimeter and width 9.5, and the corresponding height 10. We know 10 times 9.5 it will be 95. Move the point right hand side by one place, and 12 times 95, write 95 product by 12, and then 2 times 5 equal 10, write 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 9 18 plus 1 equal 19, plus and write 0. 1 times 95 equal 95, and then you can add the results. Write 0. 9 plus 5 equal 14, 4 and carry up 1, 2 plus 9 equal 11. Then the result will be 1140 cubic centimeter. Choose letter B about this example, letter B. Okay, the result will be letter B. Question number 6. The rectangle has 2 axes of symmetry. Rectangle has 2 axes of symmetry. We have 2 axes of symmetry. Okay, choose letter P. Question number 7. The percentage of the shaded part to whole figure equal what? He colored half of the rectangle here. He colored the half. Half it will be 50%. then we must write 50%. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. Letter A. A total number of boys and girls in a school is 540. If the number of boys in this school is 300, find the ratio between the number of boys and the number of girls. First step, we must find the number of girls. Number of girls. Find the difference between two numbers. The total number was 540 and the number of boys was 300. We can find the difference between them. 0 minus 0 equals 0, 4 minus 0 equals 4, and 5 minus 3 equals 2. Then we have 240 girls. Then he won't find the ratio between the number of boys to the number of girls. The number of boys to the number of girls. Okay, the number of girls. The number of boys to the number of girls. How? We have number of boys and the number of girls. We have 300 boys and girls. 540 subtracted by 300, it will be 240. And then we can simplify by divided by 10. The result will be 30 and 24. And then we can divide it by 2 or divided by 6. I had factor between them. 6. 30 divided by 6, it will be 5. And 24 divided by 6 equal 4. Then the ratio between number of boys and number of girls is the simplest form. It will be 5 to 4. Okay. Next question, letter B. In the mathematics exam, Raihana got 38 marks of 40 marks. Find the percentage of marks she got. She got 38 degree from 40 degree. And you want to find the percentage of this marks, you must convert. The numerator will be 100 because the percentage in the ratio second term is 100. So you must product by 100 and then divided by 100. Then you can write 38 over 40 product by 100 all to percentage. Okay, we write here this fraction. Product by 100 divided by 100 is meaning the percentage. And then you can cancel 0 by 0 here and write 10 product by 38. 38 product by 10 over 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 10 divided by 2 equal 2. And then, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. And then, 38 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 38 divided by 2 equal 19. 19 times 5, 5 times 9 equal 45. Write 5 and carry a 4. 1 times 5 equal 5. 5 plus 4 equal 9. Then the percentage of this degree, it will be 95%. Okay, then the percentage of the marks she got, it will be 95%. Next question, number 3. If the reciprocal of 4 over 9 is m over 4, then m plus 1 equal what? We know reciprocal of 4 over 9, it will be what? It will be 9 over 4. 9 over 4 equal m over 4. Then the value of m here, it will be 9. So he won't find m plus 1. m plus 1, 9 plus 1, it will be 10. Then the result here, it will be 10. Okay. Next question, number 2. To find the value of Dean's equation, t divided by 5 over 7 equal 1 over 6, we must use fair operation product between two numbers to find d refers to the dividend. To find the dividend, you must write 1 over 6 product by 5 over 7. Divisor multiplication by the quotient. Then the operation here, the product. We used here the product. Write this word in this place here. In this space, write product. We use the product operation. Okay. Multiplication. We know the operation here, product between two numbers, but the operation will be what? We can write multiplication. multiplication operation. Okay, we use the product between divisor and the quotient, and the operation will be multiplication. We must write this word here in the space, multiplication operation. Question number 3. If 0.5, we have 0.5 product by 0.2 equal what? We know 2 times 5 equal 10, and the point here will be after two places. It will be 10 hundredths or 1 tenths. Or you can solve this example by another method by write 5 over 10. First number 5 over 10, because the point here after one place, and 2 over 10, and then 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 over 10 times 10, 100. 10 over 100, you can simplify it by divided by 10 numerator and numerator. It will be 1 over 10. 1 over 10, it will be 1 tenths. The result will be 1 tenths. Question number 4. Here, if 3 over 5 equivalent x to 15 equal 3 over 5, it's equivalent x over 15 equivalent 3 over 5. In the value of x, we can use the product of streams equal product of means, 3 product by 15 over 5. 3 times 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. Then the value of x here, it will be 9. Question number 5. If the side length of a rhombus 10 cm and its height 3.4 cm, then its area, it will be what? The area of rhombus equal base times the height, or side product by corresponding height. All sides here in rhombus are equivalent. Okay, then the area equal base product by corresponding height. The base here was 10 cm and corresponding height 3.4 centimeter. Then the result will be 34. Move the point right hand side by one place, then the result will be 34 square centimeter. It's the area of rhombus. Next question, number 6. Number 6. Here a point located 3 units to the right of the original point and 2 up will be what? Original point was 0 and 0. They give us the rule here, move to the right by 3 units. It's meaning x plus 3, and 2 units up, it's meaning y plus 2. Then the image will be 0 plus 3 equal 3, and 2 plus 0 equal 2. Then the image here, it will be 3 and 2. Next question. Question number 7. He wants to find the value of x here. We have the distance between x and a. We have original point 0 and the point a here, and here point b and x, and negative 9.5. He tells us if EB equal 20 units, we have 20 units here. The distance between A and B was 20 units. Then the value of x equal what? We know 20 equal 9.5. The distance between 0 and A, the distance, it will be 9.5. Then 20 minus 9.5, it will be what? The difference between them, it will be 11 or 10 and a half, right? 10 and a half. Because 10 and a half plus 9.5 equal 20. Then the value of x, it will be what? 10.5. 10.5 units. Okay, the result will be 10.5. It's the value of x. Question number 8. If the perimeter of one face of cube is 60 millimeters, then its surface area equal what? Okay, he gives us the perimeter of one face of cube. We know one face of cube is square. Then the side length, it will be perimeter divided by 4. The perimeter of square equals side by 4. Then the side will be perimeter divided by 4, because square has 4 sides are equal lengths. Then the side length will be 60 millimeter divided by 4 equal 15 millimeter. Then he won't find what? He won't find surface area. we can find the area of cube equals 6s power 2. Why? Because the total area of cube equals 6s power 2, because cube has 6 faces equivalent in the area, 6 faces, and the area of each one equals side product itself, side power 2. Side power 2, it's the area of one face, and the cube has 6 faces, then the total area will be 6 product by s power 2 is service to the side, right? 15 power 2. Okay, then the result will be 6 product by 15 power 2, it's meaning 15 product by itself. 15 by 15, 15 times 15, it will be 265. 225. Okay, 15 times 15, it will be 200. Can find the result. 5 times 5, 25. Write 5 and carry 2. 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Plus and write 0. 1 times 15 equals 15. Write 5. 225. Okay. Then the total area will be 6 product by 15 power 2. 6 product by 15 power 2, it will be 225. 6 times 5 equal 30, right? 0 and the carry of 3. 2 times 6 12 plus 3 equal 15. 5 and the carry of 1. 2 times 6 equal 12 plus 1 equal 13. Then the result will be 1350 cubic millimeter. It is a volume. It's the total area. Okay, total area square millimeter. But if you want to find the volume, we can write side by side by side, 15 by 15 by 15. And if you want the lateral area, we can write 4 times s power 2. The lateral area, if you want the lateral area, we can write 4 s power 2. Okay, and if you want the volume, we can write side by side by side. It will be side power 3. Okay, but in this example, the result will be 1350 square millimeter. Question number 4. Locate the point A and B and C. Determine the point D to make rectangle. Okay, I will draw x-axis and y-axis. They are perpendicular. We have the point here. Six and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first point 6 and 1 is point A. Point B 6 and 4, 6 and 4. Point C negative 2 and 4. We have here negative 1, negative 2, negative 2 and 4. So point C. Then the point D will be negative 2 and 1. D will be negative 2 and 1 to get a rectangle, because rectangles, each opposite sides are equal in lengths, and the measure of each angles equal 90 degree. Okay, it's the order of point D. Next question number 3. If you need to pay 1.5 kilograms of apples for your mother at cost 40.5 gypsum lira per kilogram, how much would you pay? Okay, we can find the total by product to numbers. He gives us the information, the price of each 1 kilogram. It will be what we have: 1.5 kilograms of apple. If your mother at a cost 40.5 gypsum lira per kilogram. Okay, you can find the total amount. You can write 1.5 times 40.50. Okay, product between them to find the total cost. Write 40 and 50 hundredth product by 1.5, and then we have here 4050 over 100, and here 15 over 10. 100 times 10, it will be 1000, and we have 4050 product by 15. 0 times 5 equals 0. 5 times 5 25. 5 times 4 equal 20 plus 1 write 0, 1 times 0 equals 0, 1 times 5 equal 5, 1 times 0 equals 0, 1 times 4 equal 4, 5, 7, 0, 6. We can write 6, 0, 7, 5, and 5. And then the point here, it will be after 3 places. Then the result will be 60 and 755. 60 and 755. Choose letter C. Again, we have 40 and 50. Then the result will be 4050 over 100, over here 15. 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 4 equals 20 plus 0. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 5, 1 times 0, 1 times 4. 8 them. 0, 6. Then this number here, and we must divide it by 1000. Okay. But we have here 0. This number 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Okay. Then the result will be 60 and 75 hundredths Egyptian lira. Choose letter C. Letter C. Okay. Choose letter C. It's true. Question number 2. If the ratio between two numbers 2 and 3, we have the ratio between two numbers 2 to 3, and the first number is 6, then the second number will be what? Put x here versus to the second number. 2 product by 3 equals 6, then 3 times 3 it will be 9, then the value of x it will be 9. The value of x here it will be 9. Question number 3. If the price of a shirt is 208 Egyptian lira before discount 10%, then the discount will be what? He give us the price of shirt is 280 before discount. Then we won't find discount. 10% it's 17 over 100 product by total number. Then we can cancel 0 by 0, 0 by 0. Then the discount will be 28. Letter B. Discount will be 28. Question number 4. We want to find the area of parallelogram. The area of parallelogram equal base times corresponding height. Okay. We have it's perpendicular. Okay, he give us this parallelogram here, and this side perpendicular to this diagonal was 8 centimeter, and here 6 centimeter, and this side will be 6 centimeter, and we have 10 centimeter, and the height here will be 8.4, and this side was 10 centimeter. We can find the area by two methods. We can write 6 product by 8, the small base corresponding greater height 8, and the greater base product by corresponding small height 8.4. You can write 10, 8.4. The result will be 48. Okay, choose letter A. Choose letter A about this example. Next question, number 5. The point here located in the first quadrant. The first quadrant sign here positive and positive. The first quadrant. So you must choose letter D. The point 3 and 5 lies in the first quadrant. He give us here the double number line, and the ratio between two numbers 5 to 6, and the total boys and girls is 44 pupils. Then the number girls it will be what? We have the ratio between number of boys to girls, boys to girls. The ratio between them was 5 to 6, and the total, he gave us the total of them was 44 pupils. We know 5 plus 6 equal 11. Okay, we draw the table. The ratio between number of boys and girls is 5, 6, and if we add 5 plus 6 equal 11, then we can find the value here put x and y. X refers to the number of boys. Then the number of boys, it will be 5 product by 44 over 11. Okay, use the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. 44 divided by 11 equal 4. 4 times 5 equal 20. And the value of y here, number of girls. The number of girls will be 6 times 44 over 11. 44 divided by 11, 4. 4 times 6 equal 24. Then the number of girls will be 24. Choose letter B. Okay, understood? You can solve this example by this method or double number line. Double number line here, the first ray, this number line beginning to boys, and here girls. We can write first ratio between boys and girls 5 and 6. 5 times 2, 10 times 3, 5 times 4, 5 times 5, 5 times 6, and here 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, 6 times 5. Then if we add 20 plus 24, sum of them it will be 44. Then the number of girls, it will be 24. You can solve this example by this method because it tells us information. Sum of them, number of boys and girls, was 44. 44 equal 24 plus 20. Then the number of girls will be 24. Next question. The surface area of the cube. Surface area of the cube will be 6 product by s power 2. It's meaning 6 product by s because the cube has 5 faces and 1 base. Most cubes, in the total will be 6 faces. The cube has 6 faces are equivalent in the area, congruent. Then the surface area will be 6 product by s power 2. In 6 times side by side. Choose letter C. Question number 6. If 437.5 gypsy lira distributed among the excellent pupils and each them takes 175 gypsy lira, find the number of excellent pupils. Okay, he give us this number 475.5 distributed among the excellent pupils and each them takes this number. Find the number. We can find the number by using division between two numbers. The number of students will be equal 437.5 divided by 175 using long division. Right here 437.5 divided by 175. Write 0 and 0, and we can write 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 2 times 7 equal 14 plus 1 equal 15, 5 and carry up 1, 1 times 2 equal 2 plus 1 equal 3. And 7 minus 0 equals 7, 13 minus 5 equal 8. Put point here and drop 5. 875. Product by what? This number, product by 7. Product by 7 here. 5 times 7 equals 35. Write 5 and carry up 3. 5 and carry up 3. 7 times 7, 49. 49 plus 3. 49 plus 3 equals 52. Write 2 and carry up 5. 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 plus 5 equals 12. It's greater. So product by 5. 5 times 5, 25. Write 5 and carry up 2. 7 times 5, 35 plus 2 equals 37. Write 7 and carry up 3. 1 times 5 equals 5 plus 3 equals 8. Then we have equivalent number. Here 875. Then the number of excellent pupils, it will be what? 2 students. We have 435 gypsy lira distributed among excellent pupils. Each takes 175. Find the number of excellent. Then the number will be 2 students. we have two students. Okay, don't write 1/2 because the number of students must be whole numbers. Don't write decimal. Okay, you want to find the number divided the total money divided the number of money that each one get, 175 each other, then we have 2. Okay, understood? You can write 175 product by 2, 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 2 times 7 14, 14 plus 1 equal 15, 5 and carry up 1, 1 times 2 equal 2 plus 1 equal 3. And if we have 175 product by 3, 3 times 5 equal 15, 5 and carry up 1, 3 times 7 14 plus 1 equal 15, 5 and carry up 1, 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4. Okay, this number was greater, so we have 2 students only. We have the number of students will be 2.